Guys, welcome again for another great YouTube video. Remember, my name is Seal, and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So today again, I have a great topic, a great video for you guys. You really don't want to miss it. I want to talk about 8 things you really need to know before you get started in affiliate marketing. If you watch my previous video, I've started about why you should start affiliate marketing business, and I've also made a video on how you can get started as an affiliate marketing. So today it's really a big video. You don't want to miss it. There are a tons of high information that I'm gonna give you right now, so please stay tuned till the end of this video. So before we go further, please go below and subscribe to my channel. Go below, subscribe right now, and I say let's dive in. Alright, so what is the first thing you really need to know before you get started in affiliate marketing? And it's very important. The first thing is that you have to make a plan and stick to it. I don't know how you have known about affiliate marketing, but for me, I've just get a new course. I say new because you will have a lot of people giving you many ways of doing that, many strategies, many plans. But for me right now, I have defined my own plans, and it's just 3 simple steps that I have to apply every day. So you also, when you get started in affiliate marketing, you have to write down a plan. You may get this plan for a course that you bought, you may get it plan for anything, but you have to make a plan and stick to the plan. You will have a lot of proposals, a lot of offers, but you know what? Your plan is what you're gonna determine the level of success you will have. So make sure that you have a good working and proven plan, a plan that works, and just stick to it. So the next thing is that you don't have to expect quick results. Don't expect things to go fast. That is another mistake that many people, when they started in affiliate marketing, they start dreaming about making a lot of money, and you know what? I don't blame it on them. I don't blame it on you, because most of affiliate marketers are surrounded by other affiliate marketers, and you know what affiliate marketers always do? They show the result, they show the commission, they just just show the payment. So when you see it, it starts to bold in you. You want to say the same thing for you, but don't fall in that trap. You will have your time, and in fact, affiliate marketers, if you notice, some may not tell it to you, but it's take a time before you start to get some very great result. You have to make up your mind and say to yourself, I know it's work, but it will not take as fast as I may want to, or as fast as other people are getting it. So you have to stick to your plan, stick to what you have written, stick to your strategies. When you get a few commission, don't just get already excited, keep on working. In fact, you have to give yourself at least 6 months as a test to see how good you are performing, how consistent you are. So don't expect quick results. Don't expect things going fast. So the next thing is that you really need to consider to invest in your affiliate marketing business. Yes, it's completely inevitable. You cannot miss it. If you are doing, for example, if you like to blog, you really need to make up a website. I know there are a lot of cheap options. One other thing I really recommend you is not to start with expensive one, even they are the most popular, the most used, but as you get started, just start small, and after that you can increase the level of your expenditure. But you really need to invest at least, I think that per month. For me, the type of software, because you really need to invest in software such as web hosting, you really need to invest in software such as funnel builder, email marketing software. And you know what, the type of software I'm using right now is taking me only less than $60 per month. So that's just a beautiful software. It's not very shiny like the other one, but it does the job, it does the work, it does it perfectly. So I will recommend it to you. I've in fact a link below in the description. If you want, you can check it out and see for yourself. So what is the next thing? The next thing is that you need to get ready for taxes, guy. Yes, when we start to make money online, when we start to get stick on your process, on your strategy, guy, you're gonna see the government will need, I want to say their money, but you know, it's really, in fact, it's your money, but it's also theirs. So you really need to get ready. A lot of people, they just enjoy the fact of making a lot of money. They don't make up the mind. They don't set things ready. They don't make money aside. But you, guy, get ready for that. Be aware that you will pay taxes. And I'm not a tax advisor. I'm just giving that viewpoint that I've learned. So for more information, don't forget to consult a tax advisor, a professional. But my goal is just to tell you that, to let you be aware of that fact. Don't just go and seeing money be in your bank account and just be like, well, where's nothing. But get ready to pay taxes. So the next thing is that you really need to be focused. You really need to be focused and pay no mind. As I was just saying before, online marketers surround themselves with other online marketers, and I really recommend it because it's better for you to surround yourself with the type of people that you want to be, the people that have achieved the type of results you want to achieve. But among that, you really need to be focused. You know, a lot of people will come to make you better proposals, try to give you better strategies according to them, trying to give you better plans than what you are currently following. But you really need to be focused on the plan that you have established. If you see some of your friends, I don't know, anybody having some great result, don't be frustrated. Don't give your money to it. Just stay quiet and believe to the system. Trust the system in where you are, because if you stay consistent, if you stay focused, if you keep working, you will see the same results. Because you know, online business is just like principles. When you apply them right in the proper way, they will work for you. So be focused and don't be someone who always run to shiny objects, new opportunities, new way of doing things, new tricks, new shortcuts. No, just be consistent, and don't forget, you have to say no as you decide to be consistent. Don't forget to say no when the girl tell you take this, take that. Just say no, man. I have my own way of doing things, and I'm stuck on it. So that's the point that I wanted to make to you. So the next thing is that you really need to understand your audience, guy. This one is very important, because as you start promoting your stuff, as you started making maybe YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, you really need to understand to what kind of people you are selling your product. Are they able, willing, and ready to buy it, to get it? So understand, make research, use your Facebook or your Google Facebook inside. If you have a Facebook page, use your Google Analytics to see where your traffic is coming from, what kind of people are just giving you likes. Understand your audience. You can also go to see your competitors, because obviously we are sharing the same type of audience. So you need to really understand your audience, understand what they need, understand if they are the right people for your products. So that's it. The next thing is that you shouldn't be too salesy. You know that the other mistakes that we make as we get started as a affiliate marketer, because we want just people to buy ourselves. You know what is the secret? Provide value. Give value to people. The more value you give, the more trust you build, and the more they will be willing to buy from you. So the secret is to give value. Give value. Don't be too salesy. Don't try to convince people to buy only for you, but provide value, and from there you're gonna see great and amazing results. So the last thing is to be 100% honest. The type of product you are promoting, the type of offer, you have to trust it. You have to believe it. You have to make sure that the vendor is someone who is trustable, someone with high reputation. So just be honest, because you are not just selling or promoting a product, you are also selling and promoting yourself. So in the long run, the more honest you are, the more people will trust you and recommend you to other people. So that's what I want to talk with you today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That was it, and I say you bye bye.